Today is November 2nd, 2019. This is our home from the Roberts renovation. We are 8 days out from move-in date, hopefully. Today they're finishing up some of the electricity. We are tiling, and I don't know what else we're doing. We're burning a lot of stuff. So we're waiting for our last thing that goes right there. We're looking for one, can't find one. So hopefully we'll find one before we're finished. But that's not really that big of a deal. I mean, it doesn't look very good, but whatever. So this is our living room. Hello. Taking a video for our YouTube. This is our living room. It's essentially finished. So it's a video.
That's a snack.
A Snapchat? Yeah. No, it's a video. That's Greg. He did all of our lighting and electricity and everything.
I'm gonna borrow this. Okay, so what do you need?
There's a lot of people here. So yesterday we had like 15 people here working on our house. It's our stove, dishwasher. This is our dining room. I'll come over to this side. Our doors are all off our cabinets because they're installing outlets and under cabinet lighting, stuff like that. That's where our fridge goes. This is our island. It's the view from the dining room into the kitchen. So we have a 7-foot island. That's where our fridge goes, oven, microwave. Here's our beautiful island. That's our dining room light fixture. There's JD. This is our mudroom. The tile is still not finished in here, but we'll probably be finished today. Just kind of have to wait for people to not be walking on it to finish it. So all of our doorknobs are on. So this is the other view of our kitchen. So the living room. This is the hallway. This is our bathroom, guest bathroom. What? We're starting some subway tile today in here. This has all been waterproofed. Our niche is in. Our light fixture is in. So we had to put this floor in here. We ran out of time for the tile, but one day we'll have tile in here too. Here's the closet, the linen closet. This is JD's music room, as we're calling it. I let him pick this light fixture. It's really funky and cool. We still just need baseboards, some plugins wired, light switches, stuff like that. But this is the music room. So this is our guest bedroom. Another cool light fixture. Lots of nice natural lighting in this room. And this color on the walls is the same color throughout the whole house. The lighting just makes it look different. And it's called etched glass. So we have some beautiful windows. This is right on the front of the house. We have vents now. So back into the hallway. To the right's the music room. This way is the bathroom. This is the living room and the kitchen. And then we have our heating and air conditioning going in. I don't know a whole lot about that, so that's all I'm going to say about that. We have this giant vent up here. Our attic stairs are in. We have a lot of nice attic space up above us. And then this is the master suite. This is another little linen closet right here. This is JD's closet. It'll have doors on it. This is the master bedroom. Another cool light fixture. This is the master. Back that way is to the living room and the kitchen and the other bedrooms. This is our master bath. Me and a guy named Phil laid all this tile. So it just needs to be grouted. And then this is our master shower. They're putting the floor in and the tile in on the walls today. Got this huge niche. And I put all the shiplap around here. They're putting in all this up at the sides. I don't know what that's called. Here's where our toilet goes. So this is our master bathroom. And John and JD are building the vanity that goes here. It'll be a double vanity. And those are our light fixtures for in here. Had to cover up some of we had to move the wires. And then I'm in the master closet right now. This is my closet. It's huge. I mentioned this before. So, and it has its light fixture in too. We have these really cute little pocket doors. So these are our pocket doors with our beautiful tile. And then back this way is the master bedroom. There's Shady again. And that is our house. So we're almost done. Our move-in day is supposed to be November 10th. We'll see if we make that. So it's all hands on deck though here at the Roberts Renovation.